Welcome back to the channel, guys. If this is your first time here, welcome. We are a thrifting family who go out to thrift stores, estate sales, yard sales, wherever we can to find a treasure that somebody may throw away, and hopefully we can find a new home for it so it doesn't end up in a landfill. Today's video is going to be a haul video based on a recent trip to a thrift store that we did. The thrift store trip was the day before Christmas Eve. I know. I waited way too long to post this video, but stay tuned for later in the video where I explain why I waited to post this video. My wife, myself, and two of my kids were off, and we decided, hey, let's go check out this thrift store. Let's see if there's anything there. First, we decided, hey, if it's packed, we're not gonna go. Well, guess what? We drove past. It was not packed at all, which is a good thing, because when this thrift store gets packed, the line is usually around part of the inside of the building to check out, and it usually takes forever. They normally only have 1 to 2 cashiers working. Today they had 3, so the line went quickly. We didn't find much at all. The things we did find, though, was good because the colors that we actually found were 50% off, which really helped us to buy these items. I do think we're definitely going to find some good profit on these. A couple things might sit a little bit, but that's okay. I think we're still going to make some profit. Let's get into it, because I want to show you these items. So the first item is this Nike Youth Large New England Patriot jersey. It is a Wes Walker number 83, one of my favorite sports logos other than a Pittsburgh team. This logo right here is one of my favorite logos. This old school New England Patriot, I don't know why. I just love this logo. I really wish this jersey was my size. I was a Wes Walker fan. If it was a Drew Bledsoe jersey, I'd be really happy, but still a super cool jersey. We ended up paying $2.50 for this jersey. Like I stated in previous videos, I will pick up NFL stars jerseys, even if they're kids, especially for $2.50, because I do not have a problem selling it. Also, one of the recent videos we did, I sold an Aaron Rodgers. Aaron Rodgers is one of those jerseys, pick it up every time. The one thing you have to watch out for on kids' jerseys is the peeling on them, or stains or holes, because kids are rough on jerseys. So we got these two, or we got this one. We should get about $10 plus shipping on this one. Next up, we found a vintage extra large champion St. Louis Rams jersey. It is a Kurt Warner, number 13 of the Rams. Older champion jersey right here, size 48. Oh, let me show you a little bit better there. Size 48, which is an extra large. I saw this on the shelf, and I checked the price on it. I was honestly shocked for what these go for. These sell for about $30 to $40 plus shipping, especially in the shape. Now, the white one seems to do a little bit better, so super happy with this. The other thing this has going for us is they are about to do a documentary. It's about to be released on Kurt Warner. So Kurt Warner's name is about to be in the news on sports shows. So I feel that a lot of people are going to start searching for his name. When that happens, things start selling for more money. So super happy about this. It's actually a really nice jersey. I've actually owned this jersey when I was younger. I used to collect players that I liked watching, and he was one of them. Especially this old school Rams jersey, or this old school Rams logo right here with the champion logo. These jerseys are really cool. Now, this is another jersey you have to watch out for, though, because a lot of these numbers here will fade super easily. This one's in super good shape. No rips, no tears, no holes. I don't see this sticking around long. Next up, we found some books. They are the Purdon's Pennsylvania Statutes annotated. We got Title 62, Poor Persons and Public Welfare. We have Titles 3 through 6, Agricultural, Amusements, Athletics, Sports, Baileys, and Factors. Hoping I said those all right. We have Title 35, Health and Safety. Title 53, Municipal and Quasi-Municipal Corporations. Title 15, Corporations and Unincorporated Associations. Trade and Commerce, Title 70 through 74. We picked up all 6 of those books for a grand total of $2. When you Google these books, a full set of these books go for about $22,000. I'm going to show you a comp up here on the screen. Well, I'm going to show you from the website up on this screen. That's if you purchase them new. There are a bunch of these listed on eBay at $40 a pop, used. Some of them are older, some of them maybe a tad bit newer than these ones. If I remember correctly, because I'm not looking at it right now, I think these are from about 1993 or 1998. It was one of those 2 years. They're super interesting, and a lot of old attorneys or lawyers, even judges, use these books. I actually spoke with my wife's uncle, who is a judge, and he actually uses these. So he actually gave me some information about these, which was super neat, because he said they're super cool books, and he said they are really expensive. Why'd you do that to me? Why'd you do that to me?
I didn't mean to scare you.
Yeah.
I was just going to make a guest appearance.
No, that was wrong.
I didn't do anything.
You sneak up on me.
I walked in.
You sneak up on me. He's like, I couldn't even see you in the camera. Now I gotta decide if I'm gonna take that out. Well, that was embarrassing. I'm gonna leave that outtake in here, I think. But yes, we found all these books. I'm probably gonna list these for about $15 to $20 each, and we'll see how they do. They will fit in a padded flat rate envelope, so I think it'll definitely sell. It might just take some time. For this next item, we are going to have a guest appearance.
Hey guys, when we were at the thrift store last and Mike is showing you his haul, I found a Gucci handbag. It's like a brick red leather, really nice condition. Has a pocket on the front. The stitching looks great. It shows really no signs of wear. So it was just sitting in the purse section, and it had a blue tag, which means it was half off, and it was marked $39.99. So we paid $20 for this. So we're always very careful with designer handbags, because you can never be 100% certain if it's a knockoff or not. But Mike did some research.
But I'm still not 100% sure, though.
Our most current opinion is that this Gucci bag is a knockoff, unfortunately. Mike can tell you why we think that.
From what I found, the stitching looks dead on. The stitching looks great. But there are also no Gucci logos on the zippers, which says normally every bag has Gucci, the logo on it. Also, the leather tag on the inside doesn't have the serial number on it, which
I don't know if I can get that on the camera.
But I'm not, yeah, and it does, and just the stamping looks way off to me. Still not 100% sure it's fake, but I am leaning towards that.
Another thing he found out is that made in Italy is in lowercase letters. This is in uppercase letters.
So there's a bunch of flags that's tossed up on me. Okay, it's time for me to cut in here. It's taking us a while to post this video. I reached out to Rachel Strickland. Check her out up here. Check out her channel. Go subscribe to her. She's very knowledgeable with designer handbags and stuff like that, which we are not. And as we just mentioned, we took a chance on it, and we didn't have the time to do our research, but we figured, hey, $20 gamble, it's worth a chance. Now, we're not going to do this every time, and I think the next time we'll definitely do some more research. My wife stated also in the video, everything seemed, it was very hard to tell that it was a knockoff to us, because honestly, we do not come across Gucci bags and these high quality designer handbags a lot. So for us to know, like I said, we just took a gamble on it. Now, I knew there were some red flags based on what I said in the video that I looked up after the fact when we got home. Now, we honestly did not have high hopes for it, but we thought to ourselves, hey, maybe we got lucky, because sometimes you do. You're probably saying, oh, you should have taken it back to the thrift store. I probably could have, but to go back to the thrift store to return it over $20 honestly was not worth our time. The thrift store for us is about a 25-minute drive, especially now with gas prices and whatnot. I decided I was going to do something cool with it, and maybe I still will. It is sitting back in our shelf. I don't know if I'm going to burn it. I don't know if I want to blow it up. comment below what I should do with this purse. Maybe my kids will just play with it in the house and just use it for dress up, stuff like that. So it could be a really cool video if I blow up a Gucci bag. But yeah, let me know. Comment below. But give Rachel a follow. She helped us out here, gave us some tips on what to look for. She was able to tell that it was a fake just based on the picture and just based on the leather quality. So yeah, that's where we're at. So I'm gonna let my wife finish this video. And there's the middle Yinzer coming up behind me. So yeah, I'm gonna let my wife finish the video.
So if you have any experience with designer handbags, we don't have a lot.
Comment below and tell us, hey, based on what I just showed you in the video, or she just showed you in the video, let us know.
Yep.
It's still a cool purse. We just didn't have time to really. We could have probably sat in a store and looked up red flags on fake Gucci's, but we just didn't have time. And for
we
20
had
bucks,
all 3 little Yinzers with us.
2.
We had 2. Sorry, you're right.
But we just didn't have time to.
Yeah.
We figured for 20 bucks it was worth the gamble.
All right, well that's all we have for you today, Yinzer fam. We will catch you later, and do me a favor: stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking.
Like, share, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.